First, ensure your T-Mobile plan supports tethering. Go to Settings, Cellular, Personal Hotspot. Toggle Allow others to join to on and set a strong Wi-Fi password. Other devices can now connect by selecting your iPhone's hotspot name and entering the password. You can also connect via Bluetooth or USB by pairing the devices in Settings Bluetooth or connecting via cable. Remember that using a hotspot will use your cellular data allowance, so monitor your usage in Settings Cellular. As of iOS 18.1, you can enable the hotspot directly from the control center or via Siri voice commands. If you experience slow hotspot speeds on T-Mobile, manually configure your APN, which stands for Access Point Name. Navigate to Settings, then Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and Cellular Data Network. Enter fast.tmobile.com as the APN. Leave the username and password fields blank. This ensures priority data routing for better speeds. If prompted for username and password, enter guest@tmobile.net. Reset to default if problems persist. Manually adjusting APN to fast.tmobile.com ensures you're getting the best possible speeds.